Hi, Namaste everyone. Today we are going to talk about kapalbhati breathing exercise pranayama. Kapal means forehead or skull, bhati means shining. And before practice this pranayama breathing exercise, let's talk about precaution, if we are able to practice or not, or our body need rest, and next time when our body is ready then we can practice this breathing exercise. Precaution is kapalbhati pranayama should not be practiced by those who are suffering from heart disease and vertigo, dizziness, epilepsy, hernia, and too much gastric and abdominal surgery, any kind of operation if you have in your belly parts. So it is not recommended during pregnancy or menstruate periods times. Kapalbhati pranayama should be performed on an empty stomach 3 to 4 hours after meal. Now let's talk about the benefit. Kapalbhati pranayama cure constipation, acidity, diabetes, colitis, piles, stone and arthritis, joints pains, muscle pain, and all kind of respiratory problems, sinus, and it's also control over hair fall. It treats skin disease and improve immunity systems, remove sexual problems and control cholesterol, and cure blood cancer and blood pressures, and improving the blood circulation, purifying the nadis, energy channels, and it energizes the mind for the mental work, remove laziness, tiredness, and sleepiness. Now let's talk about the practice kapalbhati pranayama. So first apply mudra. Join the tips of your thumb and index finger. Jnana mudra, knowledge mudra. Place your palms on your knees. Now every exhale contract your belly inward. Now focus on exhaling. Every exhale contract your belly in. Inhalation will happen naturally. Exhale, pull your belly inside. So every exhalation pulling the belly inward and release the belly. Inhalation will happen naturally. Focus on exhaling only. Again, Jnana mudra. Close eyes. So at least practice 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you so much, and keep practice this pranayama and receive the benefits. Om Namaste.